Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Bitcoin.com. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to sign up and get started with Bitcoin.com wallet, then here's how you can do it. You can simply open up a web browser and type in bitcoin.com into the web address bar and end up in the official web page, or simply open up bitcoin.com application. Once you are done and you end up in this page, tap on create new wallet. Wait until the wallet gets created and you can now choose if you'd like to receive notifications including alerts, sounds and icon badges from the platform by tap and allow, or if you don't want to do that, tap on don't allow. Once you end up in this main homepage, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on create a bitcoin.com account for sign in button. Enter a valid email address you'd like to use for your account, or you can also use your Apple account or Google account in order to create an account quicker. After you are done typing in the email, tap on the arrow facing towards the right hand side and you'll now need to check your email to verify your email address. Tap on this open mail app button if you've got the app and you'll be able to receive an email from bitcoin.com. Tap it open and tap on continue. Once you verify your email address, you'll be able to see that you are successfully signed in for bitcoin.com. Now tap on backup and security option and select whether you'd like to enable the cloud backup for your account by enabling the toggle right next to cloud backup and continue using iCloud or Google Drive. On the next page, create a master password for your wallet backup. You can go ahead and enter any password you'd like to use, but make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. You can use upper and lowercase letters and at least one number in your password. Confirm the password by retyping it again on the next field. Finally, after typing in the password in both of the text boxes, tap on I acknowledge that my master password is non-recoverable and check both of the boxes in order to ensure that you've written down your master password somewhere safe. Now you can tap on enable automatic backup in order to enable cloud backup for your account. Tap the continue button and now you can start using your bitcoin.com wallet. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.